All right, so I'm standing here at the house, 828 Idlewild, and opened it up. Just wanted to give you a quick tour. So I'm on the street, right in front of the house. If you look to the right when you're looking at it, this is kind of the view you'll see. Some beautiful homes. House across the street's a beautiful home as well. I'm going to walk up. It's a big 2-car garage. So as you walk up, you can go around to the back of the house. You can see a glimpse of the canal there. I'm gonna walk in and do a house tour, and I'll show you out back. Beautiful landscaping. So as you come into the house, this was originally built as a 1-story, and then they added a, kind of like a master suite upstairs to make them, the master nicer, with a large game room, and I'll show you that in a little bit. So here's the dining area right here off the right, the front door. So we just came to the front door. Dining area, kitchen back there. And there's like these 2 living spaces, kind of they have it set up as kind of like a formal sitting area in the front. So I'm gonna take you to the left first. It's kind of a traditional split floor plan where there's 2 bedrooms over here and with a bathroom in the middle. So there's 2 bedrooms. Just a traditional kind of bifold closet. Show you what that looks like. But as you'd expect, just a traditional and the canal's out back there. Nice big window on the back wall, which is nice, bringing that natural light. It's actually kind of a rainy day today, so not as bright as it usually would be. And here's a beautiful double vanity for a bathroom. And redone, obviously. Tub shower. Looks really nice. Did the white subway tiles and the toilet area. And closet here. So I'm sure designed as like a linen closet or something like that, but it's really big. It's actually probably about 2.5 feet deep or so. A double door as well. Built-ins. And it's like looking at the video, the walls look a little more pink in the video than they do in real life. I don't know why that is, but it's very subtle. And when I'm standing here, but then I'm looking at the video, it looks a little more pink, but it is very subtle. It's not bad. It looks very neutral. And then these floors, the rooms have carpet. These floors are a tile, a porcelain tile, so they're really pretty. I like that natural, like whitewashed look for the tile, and the tile down here is easy maintenance, and it's cooler. It's nice to have the cool touch. This is family area, and you can see it in kitchen area, like dining area, and then the actual kitchen here. Island sink. Nice hard stone countertop. It's like a quartzite. Dishwasher, GE range, LG fridge, and just a little spot for that microwave there that they put in there. I don't know why they didn't. Looks like there they kind of, was made for the microwave to be above the range, which they usually do, but looks like maybe they put another piece of cabinetry in there to kind of cover that space up for some reason, but I'm sure you could easily, if you wanted to, take it out and put a microwave up there as well. This is standing in the kitchen looking out back. You can see water right away, which is really pretty. Nice big paver porch, under screen. They did the whole, I'll show you in a minute, we'll go out there, but they did a whole panorama view on the screen, which means there's no like crossbars. So obviously you have this like formal dining here in the front, and then the kind of like breakfast area in the back with a pass-through kitchen. It's really big and open. I don't know if you can tell that, you know, the distances between, but I bet you there's 4 feet or 5 feet in between, you know, the 2 sinks there, and then another, you know, 3.5, 4 feet at least there on that side. So nice big open, tons of windows. Love the windows in the back. It opens it up, makes it feel bright. Then what they did is the original master was down here, and it's really big. It's a big room, but the bathroom's not the best when they built this thing back in the 60s. So what they did is they put a new master suite on the 2nd floor, and then built it out nice. So you can see that there's 2 closets in here as well, but there was more of the traditional, you know, bifolds, just some wire shelving. Going into this is, like I said, the original. They did a good job on the remodel of it at least, but this goes out to the side yard. And like a little step-in shower. So it's a small little bathroom, obviously. Nice for probably the 60s, the size, but for now being on Siesta, a little underwhelming. So they obviously did it upstairs, which was a great idea, building this thing up. What I'll do is I can try to find the permit history too, to see when this was actually constructed and when this was built, the 2nd floor. It's a big game room, loft, multi-purpose. I mean, you can do anything you want with it, obviously. It's a very large room. And just a little storage closet with HVAC equipment in there. But again, beautiful windows everywhere. Tons of light to come in. There's not even a light on in here, and you can see it's super bright. And then over here is the master. Another big room. And they did a really good job on the master bath. Really pretty shower. Soaker tub. Overlooks the canal. Pretty. Toilet room. There's another vanity over here, so it's still a double vanity, and they're separated. And you actually have 3 large closets in here. You have a walk-in in the back, which is very big. There's an ironing board pulled out on the wall. This is going to be the water heater. But very big closet, and then there's a linen closet here on the right. And then there's going to be a closet actually over here in the actual side of the bedroom too. It's a nice big walk-in as well. So that's that. Nice big window on the back side. I'm going to turn this off, and then I'm going to go downstairs and walk around outside and show you a little bit. All right, I'm back downstairs. Now I'm just going to walk outside. I'm going to show you exactly what you would be looking at if you walked out here. So here's an outdoor little kitchen area, built-in grill. There's a dock. So there is a dock, there's just not a boat lift like we mentioned last night. Nice big pool with pavers. Really pretty, really well done. And then, like I was telling you on these screens, you can see there's no crossbar. If you look at like the neighbor's screen over there, you can see that they have a crossbar running across. These don't, so these are, you know, a little more expensive and very nice because you have a really pretty view. Feels like you're looking right outside. Beautiful pool. We have that walk goes around. It's all pavered up to the actual front of the driveway, so you can walk around the house on pavers to the back porch. And this is a nice end of the canal. They did like a little herb garden or something like that, which is kind of cool, out of a little John boat, which is funny. It's kind of a cool concept. Haven't seen that before. Fish just jumped. But it's the end of a canal, which is great. You can easily put a lift on here. As you can see, all the neighbors have lifts. Or you can just pull the boat right up here, tie it off. There's a seawall. There's actually water out here as well. There's a spigot down there. And a gorgeous view down the canal. Nice and quiet. This is actually a starfruit, right? Starfruit tree. That's kind of cool. And there's a couple of ripe ones that you could eat. So, like I think I was saying last night, this is actually one of the bigger lots in regards to depth and backyard. A lot of people don't have very much space on their back. This is pretty good size, actually. And it wraps around. There's actually even more space on the other side with palm trees. So, the back elevation, some palm trees. That's what I got. I'll shoot it over to you in a little bit. Let me know if you have any questions.